Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. It is a clear, cool, crisp, breezy fall morning. It is Friday the 13th of October. Didn't realize that till I said it just now, but we are over here in York County and we are along the Mill Creek Trail in the Mill Creek Preserve. I think this is one of Lancaster Conservancy's newer preserves here, but we're going to walk down towards the Susquehanna River to try and see Mill Creek Falls, which is spectacular. I've been there once before. I accessed it a different way. I'll talk about how to do that in this video as well, but I think back when I did that, I don't think this route was available, so we'll try this and have a nice little walk today and hopefully see an awesome waterfall today. So we're taking the red trail. There's two trails here. Brown trail is paved, it's ADA accessible, it's a short loop. I don't think it really gets near the falls, but we're going to take the red trail, which is I think about 3/4 of a mile down to the falls, and then we'll take it back as well. Leaves just starting to show a bit of yellow here. There are leaves down on the trail. It's a breezy morning. So we'll probably see some falling, but we're just getting started into the fall leaf transformation. You know, I'll show the DCNR leaf forecast right here, but next couple weeks should be very exciting with the leaves changing colors. It's my absolute favorite time of year, hands down. And you know, here we've got some color, but mostly green. Weather definitely feels like fall. It's about 53 degrees right now. Here comes the breeze and some leaves coming down. So far everything is downhill, walking into this gorge that's just been cut over years and years of erosion. But down here along the Susquehanna Valley, York County and Lancaster County on the other side, just lots of these valleys cut by tributaries to the Susquehanna River, and it's just a roller coaster if you're walking like north to south on either side. Here we're doing a little bit of west to east here down towards the river. I see some water down there, so yeah, this is where one of these tributaries is just cut down over the years. Absolutely beautiful. Getting into some rhododendron here. Should be a lot of this down towards the bottom. Tall hemlocks. Man, there were a couple Conservancy vehicles up at the parking lot, but no other cars here. Might just have this to myself this beautiful morning. This is awesome. Alright, so the trail is still descending here. Get to this drop off here and we can see Mill Creek down here. Just flowing right through the gorge. Oh, it's beautiful. Gonna get closer to it down here. Some exposed bedrock and schist where the gorge here is carved down through. Little overhang there. Oh my god, huge tree there just erupting out of a rock. Still on the red trail, right down by the stream now. Awesome little waterfall right there, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's gonna get way better. Let's go. Alright, so we're at a sign from Mill Creek Falls Nature Preserve, and just a one-way arrow. Up till now there have been two-way arrows everywhere. We're right here where I think it's the Mason-Dixon trail is kind of looping here. I think I have to kind of cross and go down this way or up there. I think that's the trail right there. Oh, I do see a blue blaze over there. Alright, so that's Mason-Dixon trail. I came up from the river in my Lock 12 video, I'll link that up here, and got to really big awesome falls. So I think I'm gonna go here, go down the way that I think it is, and try and find those also. Now we're exploring, let's go. Okay, so there's the sign I just showed you. I crossed. And now, back in here I see some falls. They are not what I'm looking for, and the trail over there, like there's a non-existent trail. Like I don't know that there's any way to get back there. So I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go down this way and see if that's the path that I found before. Yeah, so two streams converged back there. Now I'm along the Mason-Dixon trail going south towards the river. And that's definitely where I want to be. I remember coming up this way before. Okay, so it's a real pain in the butt to come from the trail down here, literal pain in the butt. But look at this. All right, so that is the rock star, Mill Creek Falls. Last time I was here, I'll try and find that video, a lot more flow probably, because I think all this down here was covered. and I wouldn't have been able to walk down there like I did today. So awesome, good to see it. You know, more flow might be nice, but on the other hand, I wouldn't have gotten this close. Walking back to the lot here, and up here it's very calm. You just don't you don't realize that right there is the big drop off for those falls. What a trail. This is phenomenal. This is absolutely, this is a great time. What a beautiful preserve. Way to go, Lancaster Conservancy. Love the work that you guys do. Man, this is amazing. Perfect day for it too. All right, almost back at the parking lot. What a hike. Had to strip down here because we went into the gorge on the way in. Now it is all uphill on the way out. Not too far of a hike though. One thing I forgot to mention is down at the stream where they come together, where I took the Mason-Dixon trail south. If you go north there, you'll climb up to an awesome overlook of the Holtwood Dam. So Mill Creek Falls Preserve, awesome hike. Try and get out here this fall. It is beautiful. Well worth it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Next few weeks, I'm going to really be taking advantage of the fall weather and the foliage changes, so you'll definitely want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.